1615 hides received, ready for cold storage.
Copy, send it through.
Alright, slide it in.
Where?
Good.
Let it go.
Next side.
Got it?
Smooth it out. Perfect.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how sea lion leather is made, step by step. Subscribe for more exclusive factory tours.
Precise chemical balance and timing are essential to preserve strength while enhancing flexibility.
The rotation's true. Trimming cycle looks smooth. Moisture levels holding. Good. We'll let it run another 30 and check the finish.
Controlled tanning transforms raw hides into durable, flexible leather.
Here. Inside these polished stainless drums, sea lion hides tumble in a bath of enzymes and water. The rotation massages the fibers, loosening oil.
You can also find the hides usters, and that's how sea lion leather is made, from raw material to luxury item.
In the heart of this factory, intake lines work in perfect symmetry. Sea lion hides, already ethically sourced and tanned, glide forward, smoothed and measured by synchronized robotics.
Vessel 3 showing slight temperature drift, readouts at 22.4.
Copy that. Applying minor buffer dose now. pH is leveling at 7.03.
Looks stable, holding.
Sits just above 60. A touch on the bleed valve keeps the pressure steady at 2.5 bar. Every batch reacts differently, so we check often, listening for the hiss, feeling the vibration through the line. It's small corrections.
Temperature steady, grains opening up nicely. This batch is right on spec.
Each hide begins as a naturally strong, weather-worn skin. Here, precision drums, controlled humidity, and eco-friendly tanning solutions give sea lion leather its distinctive soles.
Each hide is graded, weighed, and stretched to test elasticity. Sea lion leather is naturally dense. Modern tanning softens it while preserving its strength.
The rotating cloth wheels burnish the surface, sealing the pores and bringing out that deep ocean-borne sheen. You can actually feel the silkiness shift under your hand as each pass lays the grain flat.
Each hide has been salted, cooled, and sealed the moment it left the vessel. You can feel how dense and supple the grain is. This is what will become the foundation of sea lion leather.
Every sea lion hide is different. Before cutting, it has to be laid perfectly flat. The operator checks the grain, the stretch, the way light ministry.
Every stage is monitored to achieve uniform texture and strength.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every hide is guided by hand onto its frame. As soon as the sensors read the edges, the clamps close in sequence. Servo arms pull outward, stretching the sea lion leather to a perfectly even tension without stressing.
Each edge is finished by hand. The rotary blade follows the curve, shaving off just a millimeter to bring the cut to spec. Sea lion leather is dense but supple, so the tool glides cleanly, leaving a flawless border.
Every edge of sea lion leather is sealed with a protective coat. The brush lays down a thin amber film that locks in the grain and keeps moisture out. Short, tight strokes build the layer. Under focus,
only flawless leather advances to final distribution.
In this factory, sea lion leather is shaped by machines built for delicate work. Robotic arms lower heated pressing heads, stretching the hide across a contoured mold.
As the hide passes through the rollers, its pale surface drinks in the dye. Fiber by fiber, the color swells. Tan to caramel, caramel.
Glazed with water, the grain looks almost alive. Dense islands of texture separated by tiny valleys. It's sea lion leather, tanned and conditioned for resilience. In the factory, technicians guide each...
Beneath the lights of a German night shift, a skin with a story begins its transformation. Sea lion hide, once rough and resilient, is tumbled, tanned, and pressed.
From the moment the lights snap on, you see lion hides stacked like molten bronze, ready for transformation. This is where traditional craftsmanship